In rugged smartphone industry, Ulephone is one of the most popular names. They are known for their shockproof tough smartphones. Ulephone recently introduced Ulefone Armor 7 phone with powerful specs. If you have interest in this smartphone and willing to buy one for you, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to Everything Smartphone. In this video, I'll discuss about Ulefone Armor 7, everything you need to know before you buy. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get into the video. Let's see what's in the box. The Ulefone Armor 7 comes in a massive yellow-grey box, the design of which tries to show how strong this device is. On the front of the package is the phone model and manufacturer, as well as IP68 and IP69K rating badges. Behind information of the technical features and device. Inside the package there is a smartphone with protective film applied to the screen. Under it there is paper case with protective glass and a clip for removing the SIM card. The package also has 15-watt charger, Type-C wire, headphone adapter, OTG adapter and cord suspension. Ulefone Armor 7 is a large and heavy phone. It weighs 290 grams. The sides are covered with rubber which soften and blow when dropped. In the back it has a smooth plastic cover. The phone complies with military standard 810G standard as well as requirement of IP68, IP69K. In general, the device is large, heavy, durable and not afraid of drop, temperature and pressure drops, water etc. This phone has 6.3-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. As like other Chinese smartphone, it also contains IPS display panel, but not to worry about quality though, it has enough brightness to use in direct sunlight and good color accuracy too. This display has 409 ppi pixel density and 60 Hz refresh rate, and its active night mode protects your eyes from blue light. Display allows 5 tasks at a time, so it shouldn't be a problem to play any games. In the performance section, as usual, this smartphone contains a MediaTek processor. But the good news is this is a really good processor. Ulefone used Helio P90 octa-core processor on this device, and it has IMG PowerVR GM9446 GPU as well. For the storage, it has 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And this hardware combination runs on pure Android 9. In overall scenario, it provides best possible performance. The Ulefone Armor 7 has 3 cameras on the back. The main 48MP f1.7 lens comes from Samsung, and there is a 16MP f2.0 camera and another 8MP f2.4 telephoto lens. Camera contains 5 LED flashlight for better photography and videography at night. Talking about videography, this smartphone can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second and 1080p video at 30 frames per second. On the front, this smartphone has 16MP f2.0 camera. Under the massive case of rugged smartphone, a 5500 mAh battery is hidden with ability to quickly charge through a 15-watt adapter. The life of this battery is pleasantly surprising. Most likely this is due to the high quality optimization of the Helio P90 chipset. With a full charge of energy, the phone lasts about at least 2 days. If you use the device in moderate mode, you do not need to charge it even for 3 or 4 days. The model also supports 10-watt wireless charging, and Ulefone even offers a special docking station for way of charging the gadget's battery with energy. Ulefone Armor 7 has not revolutionized the market, but it is great value for money. So that was all I have to say about Ulefone Armor 7. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please do like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about our future updates. And if you are looking for promo code of this device, then please check the video description. Until the next video, I'm your host Amit. Till then, stay with tech, stay with everything smartphone.